Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, British pound Japanese yen has been acting funny lately because so far it has just been moving sideways. So yesterday there were some good moves that occurred, especially buys above here, and this move just kept pumping. Don't forget, yesterday was the British pound bank holiday throughout the day, so this move wasn't expected to be smooth, but it is what it is. So for today, what I'm looking at is quite simple and straightforward. It's quite simple and straightforward. I'm looking to take sales. This candle close, if it closes bullish, wherever it wants to close, take sales to come down around here. That is if it comes down like this now, or wait for buys above this zone. Okay, wait for buys above this zone going up. However, if this does something like this, comes down, then this zone where I'm anticipating to take buys would be moved lower. So at the moment, I want to see how deep this retracement will be. However, don't forget that we are sitting on this 4 hours resistance, which is on the top of something like this. We are sitting on top like this. So anything could happen whereby price could respect here, turn up. But what I'm looking at is to take sales at the moment. What I'm looking at is to take sales. If we get a buy using the structure like this, I will take buys above here. On the other hand, if I take sales and we make a new low, which let's say somewhere here, then my buys will not be this position again. This is scenario one. My buys will not be moved above this supply zone here, or supply order block, which will be scenario 2 going down. So this is just what I'm looking at. Again, don't forget that price is resting above this 4 hours resistance. This is a level that needs to be respected. As you can see, price reacted from here. Once price was going up, again it also reacted from here before eventually breaking through bullishly. So let's see what price is going to do today. I'm just the voice of the market. I'm not going to react. I would respond instead. So whatever the market wants to do, I follow the tide. I'm not chasing it. I'm only responding. With that being said, let us look at gold. For gold has been giving us some Brobdingnagian moves. So why GJ had just been really pushing. But let's see what happens today. What I'm looking at on gold is similar to what happened on British pound Japanese yen. Looking to take sales here with the structure that we are seeing right now, or to take buys here like this. Gold looks cleaner to me compared to GJ, as in British pound Japanese yen. So let's see if we're going to get sells dipping down or buys going up. But don't forget that in the overall scope of things, on gold we're on buyer's territory. On the overall scope of things, we're anticipating more buys. So the phase we are now is referred to as the retracement phase. Okay, price is just making new lows like this. So I want to see if I can catch this counter trend move going down, or with the structure right now, catch the move above this high going up. So this will be scenario 1, this will be scenario 2. At the moment, this is the kind of structure I'm just looking at. However, if this makes a new low, then this will be the high I'll be interested in, this zone. Just like what I said on British pound Japanese yen. But if you don't grasp what he said there, just as usual, send a message so that I can look at it. With that being said, let's look at the last but not the least. In summary, I'm looking for buys on gold. My buys would only be cancelled if price comes below here. Okay, I will only take counter trend sells to just retrace to somewhere around here, this zone. If not, I'm more in favor of buys right now than sells. Okay, but I'm not fixated on any direction. Whichever one the market gives me, that's the one I'm going to ride. With that being said, let's look at Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, my sentiment is bullish. Okay, I'm looking for buys going up. So if price comes anywhere, let's say above this zone, this territory like this, I'll be looking to take buys. Okay, anywhere above this territory like this would spell more buys. Anywhere below will spell sells. It's as simple as this. This will be my scenario 2. This will be my scenario 1. However, if the market changes, I will dance according to the tune. I'm not going to force the market to give me what I want. I'm only just going to go along with what the market is saying. Okay, and whatever the market says is me responding to it. Although I'm anticipating the directional change, all the same, I'm not going to force the market to give me what I want. I'm only going to glide with it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. This is very important to aid YouTube algorithm so that this would reach a larger audience and would encourage me to keep pushing free information like this. If it looks a little bit advanced, hit me up, let me know so that I can make it Lilliputian, or in other words, smaller or easier to comprehend or understand. Then don't forget to hit the notification button. Excuse me, please. The notification button, selecting the all option, comment. The last but not the least is like. So this is all I just got for you today. Peace. Baraka Bashar.